We are discussing about GATE 2001 ECE paper, and this question is related to electronic devices. MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. MOSFET can be used as A. Current controlled capacitor, B. Voltage controlled capacitor, C. Current controlled inductor, D. Voltage controlled inductor. So the right option for this one is B. MOSFET can be used as voltage controlled capacitor. If you know, normally MOSFET, metal oxide field effect transistor, with the help of effect of electric field, current flows in the MOSFET. MOSFET is called as generally voltage control device, whereas BJT is called as current control device. Remember that one. BJT is current control device. Current controlled device. Why we are saying BJT as current control device? Because output current is function of input current. Input current is IB for common emitter, and IC proportional to IE in case of common base. Like this, output current is proportional to input current. IC is beta IB or IC is equal to alpha IE. So by that time, input current is influencing the output current directly. Whereas if you are going for the FET, okay, FET is voltage control device. Voltage controlled device. Voltage control device is nothing but the output current, drain current, is proportional to input voltage, that is VGS. So ID is a function of VGS. By varying VGS, we can change the ID value. So this is called as voltage control device. And if you are going to be if you are looking at a constructional point of view, at that time we can say whether it is voltage control capacitor or voltage control inductor. So this is a construction of N-channel MOSFET, that is N MOSFET. N MOSFET is always fabricated under P-type substrate, okay, and into that one 2 N plus regions are going to be diffused. Out of 2, one is act as source, the other is act as drain. Above that one there will be a thin polysilicon dioxide layer. It is also called as gate oxide, and above that one some gate material is going to be used. Olden days the gate material was aluminum. Because of low melting point, it has replaced with polysilicon. So gate is consisting of polysilicon. Okay. Now if you are seeing it, as you are applying voltage across gate, it can able to attract the charge carriers from the P-type substrate. If you are not applying any gate to source voltage, simply you are applying a drain to source voltage as like this. If you are applying a voltage in this manner, if you are applying a voltage in this manner, that is nothing but this is minus and it is plus. For N-channel, drain is more positive than source. So if you apply a voltage VDS, at that time no current flows. Current flowing through the circuit is going to be 0 because there is no channel has been formed between drain and source. So we must apply some voltage across gate such that the channel is going to be gets created, and we can vary the channel length as well as width. Okay. So as you are applying voltage, at that time you may get a channel. So this is what you are going to get. If you apply a positive voltage across gate, at that time that can able to induce an inversion channel, inversion layer previously below the underneath the silicon dioxide layer, that is of P-type substrate. Now it will be consisting of free electrons. This is free electrons attached to the area beneath the gate. This is previously holes that is residing, now it is electrons. So the region is called as inversion layer. Okay. As you are applying positive voltage, it can able to attract more and more electrons, and after you apply sufficient amount of voltage, that is greater than threshold voltage, a channel will be formed. Then it can act as on device. So generally enhancement mode MOSFETs are normally off devices, whereas depletion mode MOSFETs are normally on devices. So from this one, if you observe, okay, this is, if you observe this area is going to be acting as parallel plate capacitor. parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor will be consisting of two capacitance plates, that is two conducting plates. One is nothing but polysilicon, that is gate, and the other is nothing but p-type substrate, which is nothing but substrate. So these two are going to be conducting plates, and in between them there is a dielectric. So here gate oxide or gate oxide or thin oxide is going to be act as dielectric for these two plates. So it is a capacitor action that makes enhancing the channel so that it can turn on, okay, and at the same time if it is depletion mode, the channel will be present permanently. You must apply some voltage such that the channel has to be removed. So this is totally depending on the capacitor action present across gate substrate along with silicon dioxide layer. So the right option for this one is voltage controlled capacitor. MOSFET can be analyzed as MOSFET is simply voltage controlled capacitor. The answer for us is B, voltage controlled capacitor. Thank you.